The truth is, sometimes I don't feel like I can do anything. And sometimes it feels like the things I'm doing aren't working or yielding the results I had hoped for. I feel like Philippians 4:13, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, is one of those scriptures we say without supplying the real substance of it. Y'all know when Paul wrote this, he was in prison, right? And I know as Christians we like to use this verse in regard for how we achieve personal success, but it's so much more than that. The words "I can," to me that means there is always a solution, whether I see it immediately or not. That solution comes from my relationship and dependence on co-creating with Christ. God strengthens us with spiritual and emotional empowerment to persevere through life's challenges as we await the solution. This is our reminder that we don't have to rely on our own abilities, but that we can trust God in every season because He has equipped us to handle whatever comes our way. God will empower you to get through it. You just have to believe that. Thanks for listening to 1 Minute on Purpose.